As an academic writing specialist, this one is really close to home because many of you have commented saying I should wear a proper shirt, so I hope this is acceptable, but also that AI is damaging students' literacy and critical thinking skills. And maybe I agree, but banning tech or going back to pens isn't the fix people think it is. I do believe handwritten work still has value, but only when it's used after students have done deep learning with AI at home. If they've used it to explore ideas or clarify structure and then come into class to write by hand, that can actually reinforce learning. But if we're just setting essays the same old way, we're inviting copy-paste thinking. Instead, ask students to build something, like a model that explains a scientific concept, and then get them to reflect on the process. On my academic writing masters, they actually poured a big box of Lego on the table and said, use this Lego to create, and then they gave us this academic writing scenario about, I don't know, transatlantic writers, the differences or something, and we had to make it with Lego. And at that time, I was just like, this is one of the cringiest things I've done, having to stand there and explain this horrible little model that I've made. And I hated it at the time, but it actually really made me think. And I was using my hands and I had to explain my thought processes. So looking back, that was actually really good. It's way harder to fake things like that. So the real shift is needed in the way that we assess. We need to stop grading the product like it's all that matters. Make the process visible, reward the journey, not just the destination. And if you've got a better idea, drop it below.